कीप लाइक ज़्यादा इंग्लिश में बोलूँगी तो उनको समझ में नहीं आएगा, थोड़े अनएजुकेटेड है, नहीं तो ये सब हरकत तो नहीं करते। बट हाँ, एनीवेज, तो थोड़ा ऐसे कुछ इंटेलेक्चुअल क्वेश्चन या थोड़ा कुछ ऐसा पढ़ाई से रिलेटेड या कुछ भी पूछ लो, इनको कुछ नहीं आता है। जो लोग रो रहे हैं ना अभी, मतलब एकदम रोए जा रहे हैं, पागल नल्ले साले एकदम महंचोर अनएजुकेटेड इलिटरेट स्टूपिड पीपल, इनको कुछ भी नहीं आता। ठीक है, इनको पूछ लो कि भाई पुलवामा में अटैक क्या हुआ था, जो हुआ था वो क्या था, या फिर तीन चार फ्रीडम फाइटर के नाम। एंड आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट महात्मा गांधी, जवाहर, नो आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट सुभाष चंद्र बोस टाइप फ्रीडम फाइटर जिन्होंने एक्चुअली कुछ करा है। इनके पैंट में सुसु हो जाएगी, इनको कुछ नहीं आता है। समझ में आता व्हाई डू दीज आर्मी पीपल दे कीप लाइक सैक्रिफाइसिंग देयर लाइव्स ऐसे नल्ले लोगों के लिए जो एक दूसरे को ही मार रहे हैं क्योंकि कोई ब्लैक डे नहीं मनाना चाहता। मतलब क्यों मनाऊं मैं, क्यों मनाऊं ब्लैक डे? इट वाज इररिलेवेंट टू मी। मैं क्यों मनाऊं? मैं गुवाहाटी में होती तो मैं तो अपना दुकान खोलती, मम्मी को बोलती कि हाँ नहीं काम तो करना ही है, चाहे तुम मेरे को जेल में डालो, चाहे मारो, चाहे पीटो, पर ऐसे गधों की तरह भेड़ चाल में चल के तो मेरे को अपना लाइफ नहीं जीना है। और मैं इतनी अनएजुकेटेड और इलिटरेट हूँ भी नहीं, और मेरे दिमाग में बहुत एक्चुअली दिमाग है इंस्टेड ऑफ भूसा। Why am I so pissed? But it's stupid.
This video, this university girl said and mocked the people of Assam and used abusive and derogatory remarks which bring an outrage after seeing this video of her. On the mournful days, on the legendary singer Jubin Garg, why I have to make this video? Because she said was very such an indecent or filthy languages she used to the people of Assam. So and I can't bear it. So I want to point out her remarks. In the video itself, she said the people of Assam are illiterate and their brains are loaded with hay. And the people who are gathered during the funeral, during the mournful days, are illiterate people. They don't know anything. They just cry and they observe as a black day. On those days where the people of Assam, when Jubin Garg was brought from the Singapore in Assam, so it takes 1 or 2 days. So she should be aware, or she knowingly she said that the people of Assam should not close all the shops. And why the people are fighting among themselves? She further said that if she were in Assam, she would not close the shop and would tell her mother to open and sell goods and earn money, she said. And she can't leave such a huge gathering of people. There are sluggish people are so crowded. She can't live in such situations. She was a girl as if she were living in abroad, and from there releasing a video such a derogatory remarks. As if she is the only English student and she only knows alone how to speak English. But the people of Assam, they don't know English, or they can't speak English, don't even understand English. So she spoke in Hindi languages. We the people of Assam knows as equal as you regarding all the languages, and we could understand and speak Assamese and Hindi also. And now you are a liar. The people of India, they caught you that you even hail from Assam. Now the people of all India, they won't believe you that your future will be like this. You will go on telling lies because you said in the video you don't intend to hurt anyone. You don't will not bring defame to a particular person, but you knowingly from the beginning that yes, you hailed or you are from Assam, then this legendary singer Jubin Garg demise had already taken place. Then why you should bring such a video to the people of Assam and shaming all the people of Assam? And further, you say that you don't bring yourself a famous girl students or a famous persons in all over the world, but these videos comes from Facebook, I think so, but people now are aware of you that you are not a good girl. Now you have to repent for it. At last in the video, you yourself said that you too is a stupid girl. In the video, you said to yourself, even. Then what will happen when one of your family, when one of your family dies, then what will happen? All the people won't gather to your house or to come to mourn to your families, or even you, if you go on saying like this. So I request not to do such a thing in the near future, because as you are educated, then why you have to tell us that as if you're saying this or releasing this video from the other countries, but you are in Guwahati itself. I'm very, very sorry that at the last you have to repent or you have to apologize for the people of Assam. But however, okay, so I'm making this video. So the people from the northeast even, we love and we respect Gobinda a lot. So what you said is totally very unimaginable things that we the people of Assam have to bear it, because we are our brains what you have said, and we are illiterate other people that we don't know anything, that why you are observing, and why do you want to be against them, that you want to open all the closed establishments, all the institutions, why you're against them? I can't understand even myself. So don't be such a kind girl, okay, in the near future. Okay, with this video, I conclude and go on seeing this video. At last, the video shows that this girl repent and apologize to the people of Assam. See this video, look, huh? Now she got embarrassed in her face even. See.
अभी तक तो आप जान ही गए होंगे कि मैं कौन हूँ। मैंने ये वीडियो एक फॉर्मल आई एम फ्रॉम असम एंड मैं असम में ही मैं पैदा हुई थी एंड मैं हमेशा ही असम में रही हूँ अपने ज़्यादातर लाइफ। एंड मैं भी अपने आप को असम की ही मानती हूँ। मैं सबको बोलती हूँ आई एम फ्रॉम गुवाहाटी, आई एम फ्रॉम असम। मैं कभी भी एम्बैरस नहीं हुई हूँ। मेरा कोई भी इंटेंशन असम के किसी भी लोगों को हर्ट करने के लिए नहीं था। एंड आई एम वेरी 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 सॉरी, आई एम जेन्युइनली वेरी सॉरी कि ये वीडियो आप लोगों को दिखा, इतना हर्ट हुआ। इससे मुझे एक और बात बोलना है, मैंने कभी भी ना इंस्टाग्राम ना यूट्यूब या किसी भी सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म में मैंने खुद उस वीडियो को फेम के लिए या किसी भी चीज़ के लिए वायरल नहीं किया। अगर मैं फेम के लिए करती तो मैं इंस्टाग्राम में ही रील बनाती, पर मैंने नहीं किया। मैंने किसी भी इंसान को